What is going on, guys? Greggles TV. If you've been having issues with your Galaxy Note 10 S Pen, I'm gonna walk you through a fix. Now, you know your S Pen can do all kinds of stuff, and it could be as little as maybe you just can't write on your screen and you know, that's not working. Or maybe when you can't launch your camera, you know, by long pressing the button, that's not working. Or cycling through certain menus when you do that, the air gestures. Whatever it is, I'm gonna show you a fix. So what you wanna do is hit the home button. Next, you wanna plug your S Pen back into your phone. Make sure it's in there. Make sure it snaps in. Then what you wanna do next is swipe down from the top, go into that little gear on the top right, which is gonna be settings. Then you wanna go down until you see advanced features. Then you wanna click on S Pen. Next, you want to tap on Air Actions. And then after that, hit the three dots in the very top right and hit Reset S Pen. And remember, before you hit that, make sure that your pen is inside of your phone. So hit Reset S Pen. And it says connecting to your S Pen. This may take a while, so it's basically doing just kind of resetting it, realigning it. And I did a video for this for the Note 9, and it's changed ever so slightly getting there, so that's why I decided to redo it with the Galaxy Note 10. And then once it's done, it just automatically brings you back to the main Air Actions page, and that's when you know it has been reset. And at that point, take it out and see if you can, you know, do whatever you're trying to do before. Try to create that note if you couldn't create the note. Try to launch the camera by long pressing the button on the pen. And just see if stuff works in there if it didn't before. Hopefully that will fix your issue. If it doesn't, let us know in the comments down below if you did have a fix. Otherwise, it should work. Like I said, last time I made this video for the Note 9, it fixed a lot of people's issues with their Galaxy Note 9, and hopefully it will do the same with your Note 10. So thanks for watching, guys. I will see you down the road.